So here, once the installation is done, you will see that you have to source from the .bashrc. So you have to add this. You can also directly source this. So first let's see where OpenFOAM is. So it's in user lib, then OpenFOAM, and inside this we have everything. So inside this also you will see this bashrc that you have to source, and the bashrc file which is in the home is this file. You can edit this in the notepad and add an alias. In order to add an alias, you can copy this and add an alias of your choice. Once this is done, you can just save this and close. So right now simple form is not available. So when you source this bashrc, then that alias will be available. So right now also it's not available. We can source this directly or use the alias. Let me source it directly first. Once you source this, you'll see that simple form, one of the solver in OpenFOAM, is available.